Hi, what's up everybody? Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here and you're not subscribed, just subscribe and tap the notification bell so you'll be notified if I upload a new video. Don't forget to like, comment and share my video. Thank you. First remedies is turmeric, honey and black pepper. Add a teaspoon each of turmeric powder and black pepper to boiled water. Also consider adding cinnamon and honey, then drink this daily until you see improvement. Other way to introduce turmeric in your diet is by adding turmeric powder along with carom seed to herbal tea. Also, you can add honey and drink the solution 2 to 3 times daily. You can also roast turmeric root and grind it into fine powder and mix it with water and honey. Drink it twice. Second remedy is ginger. Ginger is a superfood that has many benefits in treating cold. In among its more well-known properties, add a small slice of ginger to boiling water. Drink this mixture 3 to 4 times a day for relief from your sore throat, persistent coughing, and even chest congestion. Alternatively, also consider add some lemon juice and honey. Another option, if it suits you, is to chew fresh raw ginger on and off over the day. Third remedies is onion and garlic. A simple home remedy for treating cold is to cut onion and inhale its strong vapors. This can help treat the cold and clear the nasal passage. A mixture of baked onion juice with a comfrey tea and honey serves as a useful cold syrup. Drink it daily for the relief. You can also consider adding pure honey to the onion extract. Garlic can be considered as a superfood, considering it has both antibacterial and antimicrobial properties that are useful in treating cold. Boil 2 to 3 cloves of garlic with water and add a teaspoon of oregano. On cooling, and add some honey and drink it. This should be clear blockage, ease a breathing, and offer relief from constant cold. Okay. First remedy, hot milk with honey. Uses. Hot milk with honey is useful for treating dry cough and easing chest pain from continuous coughing. From optimum results, drink it before sleep. Separately, have a teaspoon of plain honey on empty stomach to clear the mucus and smooth the throat. Okay. Thank you for watching my YouTube video. Continue to like, comment and share. Don't forget to subscribe and tap the notification bell so when I upload a new video, you'll be able to watch it. Thank you. Bye bye.